Okay, hope everybody's enjoying the weekend. Today is Saturday, February 22nd, 2014. Let's take a look at the market here. I thought pull back on some of the time frame, and we'll take a look at the weekly chart first on some of these indexes because sometimes, it might be beneficial for us to just kind of take a look at a longer time frame type of a price action and give us a clear pattern of where the market is because a lot of time on the daily chart there's just too much noise, especially when the market is getting a little volatile. So if you look at the S&P 500 here on this weekly chart here, you can see, back here, a lot of people is calling a double top and everything like that, but certainly it doesn't look like a double top here on the weekly. And looks like right now when we have the pullback, there's also you can see on this weekly candle here, there's this nice little hammer here and it just broke right back up and bounced right back. And right now we are getting approach to the previous high here. So definitely there's going to be some more upside based on the weekly. And if we go and take a look at the daily, you can see that daily chart. Look, right now, getting back pretty close to that 1850 here. This old high, all-time high here. So, that's certainly something to keep an eye on in the coming week. And if we also take a look at the Dow Jones, um, we take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial. See again, you also see that this little candle here, you see this hammer, just come right up and breaking through some of the resistance here. Basically this resistance right now, it seems like it is trying to make its way back up to that new high. I mean the previous all-time high. And similarly, if we look at the Nasdaq 100, see the Nasdaq 100 has already made a new high last week and kind of pulled back a little bit. Once again, you see these hammer-like candle on a pullback, and with these long wick, and they just kind of bounce right back. And especially, it's important to see how strong and how quickly it bounced right back. That kind of give us a little indication of where the convictions are. And certainly right now, the conviction is on the buy side, on the long side here. And if we also, just kind of take a look at the daily quickly on the Nasdaq 100, you can see that this climb is just like a straight up. So certainly, we might see a little bit of a consolidation here on the Nasdaq 100 and wait for the other indexes to kind of catch up a little bit. And also taking a look at the Russell 2000. Again, you see the Russell 2000, it kind of snapped right back. And right now it's getting close to the previous all-time high here. Certainly it's coming up here. And still, again, I don't know what that spike is. But if we go and look at the daily, you see this, right now it's, again, see it's only maybe a short distance if you look at it, maybe 20 points away from the previous high here. So, and if we look at some of these, ETF, you can see these ETF, look at the spider, right? Okay, and again, I see this nice hammer kind of snap back, kind of got close to the 200-day. By the way, the blue one is the 10-week moving average, and the dark green one, I believe, there's the it's the 200-day moving average or 40-week moving average. So it's equivalent to 200-day. And if we also look at the diamond here, uh, you can see the diamond once again, it's kind of bouncing off that 200 and right now getting back above the 50, that 10-week moving average. And the Q is, trending nicely above this 10-week moving average and similarly for the Russell. So that's a quick look of the market. Hopefully, maybe, you might want to take that as a cue to go and look at some of your stock using the weekly chart and then see what the price action are. And maybe in the next video, I might go and take a look at one or two sector and kind of review some of the chart on some of the stock in different sectors.